Starting off this vlog about where the last one ended off, and it is such a sunny, beautiful morning, you guys. I keep saying this, I'm probably repeating myself in all my videos. I swear September is like the best month here because it doesn't get too hot, but it's so sunny and it's not that humid, and it's just like lovely, perfect, so bright and sunny like this every day in September. So yes, we've been taking advantage of having beaches. I actually didn't really vlog yesterday, but I took some clips at the beach. I want to insert that right here because it was like the most perfect beach day. Max and Brody, I'm gonna put that right here. Brody, are you happy? Happy puppy. Look at how sparkly the water is today. It is a beautiful day. I always say I feel like September is one of the prettiest, nicest months here. It's like not humid, it's just sunny, not too hot. Brody's in heaven. Not too many people around, everyone leaves after Labor Day. Not a clouds in the sky.
Good.
See ya. We're like the only people out here. It's a beachy afternoon.
Dig. Show us what you got.
Cut my foot, you guys. Like, ow. Can I not? We're watching the season of Survivor right now where this one guy keeps getting hurt. And that's literally how I feel, you guys. Like, ow. Looks like I'm cut in a couple spots from that sharp rock. Good Lord. Okay, now let's chat. I love that my pink straw matches my pink set. So, you guys, I was just thinking about how I feel like I haven't talked about this on YouTube at all, but I feel like recently I've been making an effort to switch to more non-toxic, just overall clean living. I feel like I'm just learning more and more about all the chemicals that are in our cleaning products, our laundry detergent, girls, tampons, like, and I also think all these like symptoms you have in your home, it's like autoimmune or like I have perioral dermatitis, these really intense chemicals in our things just aren't good. I feel like I'm learning more. The more I learn, like the more scared I am. So I've been making an effort to switch to more like natural, non-toxic cleaning products, less crazy fragrance, like laundry detergent, stuff like that. And I feel like the more I learn, the more I'm gonna be crazy about switching to non-toxic things. But it's so scary when you learn about, especially cookware, cooking with toxic chemicals that end up like in our food and we're eating it, it's in our bodies, and like that is just no good at all. So yes, I actually got a new set from Geraghty. Thank you so much, Geraghty, for partnering with me on this video, since they have non-toxic cookware that is just so good for you. Because here, let me show you the whole set. I got this pretty navy color. They're actually ceramic, so it's naturally non-stick instead of having that non-stick coating with Teflon, which I'm learning how bad that is. I actually learned how, like, look how pretty they are too. I learned how the founder of Geraghty started Geraghty because he got the Teflon flu, which is when if you overheat a non-stick pan that has the Teflon coating can make you really sick, and there's forever chemicals in there. Like majority of our frying pans in the US have that, which is so scary because the forever chemicals, I've learned, can stay in your body for years and cause health risks, and it's just like not worth it. So if you find a non-toxic cookware set like Geraghty, you might as well be doing what's best for you. Also, aside from all of that, I first heard of Geraghty actually from my mom. Like when Max and I first moved in this house, I was like, okay, this seems like the time to invest in some nice home pieces and cookware. And my mom has these really nice like oven pans from Geraghty, and I'm like, what's that brand that has a really nice cookware that I want to get? So I'm so glad. I feel so adult. I actually have two of their, like a pot and a pan in the cream color from Geraghty that I love so much, but I thought I would get a set. Look how nice their sets come with. Like I show, if you can see, the big pot, smaller frying pan, bigger frying pan, smaller pot, and then the lid storage. You can hang those, keeps them all organized. Also, which is so nice, these can go in your cabinets to organize all of your new Geraghty pots and pans, which is just so nice for them. And like I said, they're just so high quality. When we have this small frying pan in the cream, we use it every single day for eggs in the morning, and it cleans so easily. And just knowing that you don't have scary chemicals getting into your food feels really nice, puts me at ease. So I love these so much. I love the navy color. I feel like it's so coastal and fun. So I'll have these linked down below for you guys. I know with their sets you get 20% off, which is so nice. Also, they gave me a code. If you want to use Gretchen G10, you can get an extra 10% off the Geraghty set. Highly recommend. They're the nicest pots and pans you can invest in and you'll have forever. Look at you go. The non-stick is so good that it literally cleans so quick and easy. Done. Oh yeah.
Now
You just need some quick little breakfast sandwiches. This never gets old. Why is it always so good? I feel like you've been in a hot sauce kick.
I have this new one that, well,
New
it's
to
been
me.
in our fridge for a while, but
I haven't noticed. Is it like a chili one?
Lighthouse Keeper cherry pepper shark bait hot sauce.
Okay.
And it is
Like
good.
I just like plain, I think.
Definitely expired, but it's still working.
I feel like sauces, it's okay.
Really
Like-
liquidy.
The mustard and ketchup in your mom's old fridge is, you know, I mean in general, like parents' fridges, all the condiments are old, but do they even go bad?
How is it? Good?
So good. It always is. Maybe I cooked the eggs for too long.
The bacon makes it.
Never gets old. Why are breakfast sandwiches always good? Like I'll never be sick of it. Maybe I need a little dip in your hot sauce.
Pretty good.
Okay, we'll stop having the mukbang. Don't forget, thank you again, Caraway, for partnering with us on this video. With me. Now it's in us.
Yeah.
Now we're married with us.
Well, I'll be the one cleaning them, so. So thank you.
Whenever dishes go in the dishwasher, Max is like, I didn't know that you knew where that was. But these ones I clean because they're easy to
They are.
They're really quick. Also, I was just thinking, you guys, I feel like these Caraway sets are like one of the #1 things I see on wedding registries.
Oh,
If you're getting married,
Yeah, put these
this
on
on your
there.
wedding registry. And if you know someone getting married, this is such a good gift, especially since, like I said earlier, when you bundle, they have the 20% off. And then also use my code GretchenG10. Don't forget, for an extra 10% off site wide. Then
Why
you're good
wouldn't
to
you?
go. Then it's like 30%. So good. So I'll have them linked down below. We're gonna keep eating our breakfast,
Great.
and we'll see what we're up to later. I don't even
Yeah.
know. It's such a sunny, beautiful
That is a nice
day.
day. Maybe we'll do the beach.
I know, we could go back. We had such a fun beach day yesterday. From the top. Maybe I'll get a workout in. My new set.
There we go.
You guys, hi. It is days later. I'm so sorry. I, had all the best intentions of vlogging the rest of the day, prepping for guests. I just didn't do that. I feel like when there's like so much going on and I feel busy, I'm like lose the vlog camera and I'm just like running around tidying. Yeah. Oh, my period dermatitis. I have crazy right now. It's so red and bad. It's driving me nuts. So we're just gonna cover it up. Okay, so last you saw, I think I was like, maybe I'll work out, whatever. And I was in my cute new Beyond Yoga set, which I love. And I did a SoulCycle spin class, which I haven't done in a minute on my at-home bike, so that was good. Oh good, it's just like clinging to my dry skin. What air. Honestly, I need all the tips from you guys if you have period dermatitis. I've been doing the Tower 28 and, Prequel hypochloric acid spray. I feel like people said that's good for period dermatitis. I don't know if it's helping. Maybe it's helping like a little. I'm having deja vu because I just did a TikTok about my wedding, like skincare, and I talked about that. And I'm like, I really tried with the period dermatitis, but nothing seems to be perfect. The Primally Pure balm, I know I've talked about that before with the period dermatitis that has like beef tallow in it, and I feel like that's helpful. Also the Oak Essentials one I think has beef tallow, so that's helpful. Like I just did that. It's really moisturizing, but still it's not gone. But at least you can cover it up with makeup. Okay, focus, Gretchen. What I wanted to say is your bunch of friends come stay here for the weekend for Max's bestie's wedding. Max was the best man. Did I say that? I don't think so. And it was like the most special wedding. It was honestly like my favorite wedding I've been to. It was so much fun. It was at the Winslow Estate here on the Cape, and Max's speech was so good. Everything was so good. I can insert some photos right here. I should have like filmed little clips, but I didn't. I also was like, oh yeah, I'll show like getting ready the guest rooms and stuff. Nope. And then yesterday, Sunday, everyone left. Next day, stripped all the beds, washed all the beds, put them all back together. I wanted to show all that. But again, when I'm like doing things that are interesting to be showing, that's when I feel busy and like forget to whip out the vlog camera. So my apologies. You're like, we don't want to hear you. Yeah, we want to like see the interesting stuff. Sorry. So was that. I wore a cute pink dress. Lucy's here, which is so exciting. So I'll probably start a new vlog off with her. Got a grocery shop later. Cook, get it together. I want to like try workout classes here that I haven't been to while she's here, which is fun. She has like a work from home week, so that's really fun. That's what she's doing right now. Yeah, I feel like I had more to say. That's that, catching up on laundry, doing all that fun stuff. Well, you know what will be in the next vlog or the one after that? is our pod, our storage unit with all our stuff is we've been paying for so long, and we need to stop paying for that because it's so expensive, and go through our stuff and sell furniture and stuff that we're not going to need. So that is going to get delivered tomorrow, and that is going to be a big day. Moving stuff around, probably putting stuff in our garage momentarily. So much happening. I think I've been bad at vlogging recently when stuff is around and when people are around, and then I'm just like vlogging in the boring moments with you, so I apologize. It's like, you know what too? The parodermatitis is probably acting up because when you don't sleep as much, when your immune system's like worn out, and you're like drinking alcohol at a wedding, which like weakens the immune system, not sleeping too much because you're up late, and like I feel like that's when it's bad. So the weekends and the summer, it's always like not doing well. But yeah, here's our little chit chat catch up. I'm like not excited for fall, for the cooler weather. It's already like feeling cooler today, but I am for like, it always feels like a fresh start of a new season. I'm gonna get my life together, focus on wellness, maybe sleeping more, working out, less social summer, drinking. That'll be good for me. Okay, we're gonna do a little, curl my eyelashes already, did I? Just doing like a little something to feel together today, but I don't feel like doing mascara because that's hard to take off later on. I'm so lazy. This chit chat, get ready with me instead of prepping for guests. I can show you guys though what's going on. You can help me fold laundry. You're like, oh, riveting. Just what we wanted to do. Crazy how even just 5 minutes of makeup, I feel better, ready to take on the day, more together. Kind of got our system down pat now. I feel like we have sheets that stay on each guest bed, so that makes it easy, and we like wash and dry, make it real quick. Brody loves this room. This is his room that he sleeps on this bed all the time, so that's why it's all messed up. But I love the pink sheets in here. These were so inexpensive on Amazon, you guys. I can try to find the link. So we call this room Pinky because of the cute pink sheets. So yes, I think I used to be like, oh my gosh, before guests came, like I gotta wash and dry and get all the sheets on bed. So now I'm doing it the same day, like stripping the bed, washing, putting it back on the same day makes it so easy because this is just like ready for whenever our next guests are in town, you know? Same with this one too. This is the blue room with the blue wallpaper. Okay, sorry, the battery died. Saying, I don't know if I ever showed you guys how cute is this print. Max's sister Chase got it for me for my bridal shower, and I think it's so pretty. It's like that Nikki Beach in St. Bart's where we went for my bachelorette, so it'll always remind me of that. I think it's so cute. But yes, same thing. Max and I quickly stripped, washed, dried, we put back on the sheets last night. It's just so nice that we don't have to worry about that for our next guest, you know? To something else post guest that I feel like we're doing so much of. Tons of towels, but I wouldn't have it any other way. I'm not complaining. I love having so many people here. It's so fun, and I feel like that's what I envisioned when we first got this house, is like having it be such a fun gathering spot. So many friends, since it was Max's, one of his besties from college, like their whole friend group stayed here, and it made it so fun. Okay, I thought I would be able to like do all of these lights together, but that's kind of full. I don't want to like overfill it. Those can wait till later. Hopefully this isn't too tilted on my water bottle. I feel like it is a little bit. Oh my gosh, you can see the actually really funny. All Max's buddies over here coming back from the nights of wedding festivities, they kept ordering late night Wendy's, and so now we have stacks of extra sauces from Wendy's right there. Tell me why the ghost pepper ranch one is so good. I never had this one before, but we were like eating it up literally with like the chicken nuggets and the fries and stuff. Anyway, ignore that. Okay, I thought I could show you this box that just came in, which is so exciting. From, how do I say this? Bosse's? The treat brand. Oh my god. Brody has had these treats before, but look at how cute. It was funny because last night, I should have filmed. I'm sorry, I should have brought my vlog camera. Lucy, me, Taylor, Max went out to Chris for dinner, which is just like one of our favorites in Osterville. Like their pizza, their salads, which we always get their pizza. We never get their pastas. Last night we all got chicken parm. It was so good. The reason I'm saying that is because a main topic of our dinner conversation was all of them explaining fantasy football to me. I'm like, you guys are gonna be so real. I don't get it. I've never understood. Please explain it out to me. So they're like telling me all the ins and outs. They're telling me all about football. And then got back and I'm like, oh my gosh, Brody got a football package, which is so cute and so meant to be. So it seems like they have a collab with NFL. Teamed up with NFL Players Association to create 6 limited edition game day worthy treats inspired by real players and their pups. She's so cute, Brody is gonna love these. This must be one of those fun little treat, like you hide the treats in there, toys. Oh my god, let's do it with Brody. That'll be so fun. And then, so cute, little card. A golden and what's it called? Football jersey. And then we got all sorts of treats. Brody, can't you tell that I'm opening up a package for you? Oh, here he comes. We have treats for you. Oh my gosh, wait, I gotta put this on him for football season. Cute bandana. Little kids, all of these are for you. Come up. Say hi to the vlog. Okay, let me put some together for you. Okay, I just put together. Oh, it's up in here. Let's see if he knows how to do. Can you sit? Sit. Look at the bandana. How cute it is. Brody, sit. Good boy. Okay, ready? Go! Break! Go get it. See if you can do it. Let's see if he knows how. Look at the tail. Good boy! This is so fun. Nothing is better than wow, you're doing so good, buddy. B for Brody. Nothing is better as a dog parent. Hi, Happy Tail. Pretty good. That's so funny. He knows how to do it. He just like hits it with his nose. Good job, buddy. Now you eating your kibble? I know I've told you guys in other videos and on Instagram and stuff about Purina One. This is not sponsored by them, but he's been loving. I love how much you love your kibble and your treats. The tail says it all. Cool it is, working away.
Hi, now he hunched over.
Here he comes. Come show Lucy your new outfit. She's gonna love it.
Brody, just in time for football season. Are we gonna watch the game tonight? Oh, it matches you so well. Got your neutrals on. It's so handsome. It's so cute. Oh, it's so cute. So cute, Brody.
Happiest with Lucy. Look at the tail. Okay, maybe I'll end off this vlog here. Sorry if it's a little bit shorter, you guys, but I want to start off a fresh one. This has been going for so many days since Lucy and I are probably gonna grocery shop later, do some cooking. You know what I kind of want to do, Lou? What could be fun, like, together? Is make homemade cinnamon rolls. I haven't done that in so long. You get the best photos of him. Hey. Yeah, so all of that is to come. I just threw so much at you. I've been blabbing away while I was doing my makeup. But love you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one.